this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
You doing way better and all out of your feelings. Yo, it just came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. 'Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't.
Hi Goofy Squad, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Malia.Angelic, as you can see. And so I just took my hair down, as you guys saw in the previous video. I just miss my hair, you know. I want to keep it maintained and healthy on this journey. I know my hair has shrinkage. It's not that long like you guys see. It's not as thick as my siblings, but it's okay. It's alright, we're gonna get there one day. But this is going to be a hair care routine video because I've been natural for a while. Only last year, only one time I got my hair, no, 2 times. One time was when I went on like winter break. I just got my hair pressed and trimmed because I got it pressed because I was trying to get it trimmed. And then, oh well, never mind. That's about it because when I got my hair for my birthday, I just got it stolen. So that's nothing really. But that's about it. I've been natural all the time. Like I'm fine having my hair out. I got confidence in myself that I won't let my hair determine how I feel or anything like that. Let it blow my self-esteem. If people don't like it, that's them. I'm proud of my hair. I'm proud of what I've been doing with maintaining my hair. So yeah, we're gonna get into this hair care routine because baby, this needs to get a wash. So the shampoo and conditioner that I use is Mango and Shea Butter by Creme of Nature, and this one is ultra moisturizing conditioner for dehydrated hair, and that's the conditioner. You see, well, I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't have that much conditioner, but I have a lot of shampoo because I know that my conditioner and shampoo ratio is like, if I do 1 squirt of shampoo, I'll do 2 squirts of conditioner. Or if I do, basically that's what it is. So for every 1 pump or squirt, whatever, of shampoo, I double the conditioner. That's why it's almost empty. I can get some more. And I love Creme of Nature. It really makes my hair feel nice and then like real soft, and you will actually see my tight curls. Like once I wash it and then I come back, y'all gonna see the shrinkage and y'all gonna see my curls. Because technically I haven't looked into if my hair is like low prosperous, I believe that's the word, or high, and I haven't really researched my hair type, which I should since I'm natural, because that's what you do when you're natural. You need to find out how to help your hair be the best hair it can be, okay? Okay, yeah. And usually every now and then I'll do a hair mask. I do the Acai, whatever berry. It's in another hair care routine video you guys will see, because I possibly will have it by then, because I haven't went on hair care shopping yet. And I thought I had another mask. I believe it's by Creme of Nature as well, but I don't have it. I forgot I used it all over summer. But I do have this olive oil leave-in conditioner Oh my gosh, I promise you. It is literally $4.49, and it lists me and it literally lasted me a whole while. Especially when I put my hair in twists and then I just go over it, do it again. I learned a new thing when I do twist styles. I'm gonna show you all of these, but all of this information I'm telling you. But when I do my twist out now I add flexi rod my ends, because if I don't, because of my hair type, it just don't work out. So when I do it ends, it makes it look so much better. Okay, but yeah, these I stick by these products. I always, every time I go, re-up on it, especially this one, because my hair hasn't fully absorbed all, my hair dries quickly. That's all I'm gonna say. It dries quickly. I don't know why I'm trying to be extra. It dries quickly, and I don't like that. So this literally leave-in conditioner really helps my hair keep it moisturized. Even if you think it's not moisturized, it's moisturized. It's so good. And then I started using Wild Growth. I haven't been real consistent with Wild Growth. I don't, it's on the bottle, it's week 1, shake well, gently apply on only once. And then the second week you apply twice. Third week 3 times. Fourth week 4 times. And just continue. But I haven't been doing it, and I think I bought this for $7.99. It is expensive, but people stand by it. I haven't fully got to know of it. I know I put it on my edges, and it really helps with my edges because your girl hair thin. Oh baby. Yes, and then my friend also gave me some biotin pills. She said she stopped taking them because they really made her hair grow. But we have 2 different hair types, so I don't know. Every time I do an updated routine, we all just gonna see what happens and see the finished result of everything. See if these products are actually working, if I need new ones. So if you have any suggestions, comment down below. Feel free. It's there for you to help me and help you with videos. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'll be back with you guys. Alright guys, I am out of the shower. Yes, I put this shirt back on because I'm just lounging. I ain't going nowhere today. Everybody knows when it's hair wash day and laundry day, you ain't going nowhere, baby. Nowhere. Well, I know when you wash your hair, you ain't going nowhere. Because I know I don't go nowhere. Because I like to have my hair nice, fresh, and then my twister ain't gonna be ready by the end of the day. No, baby. So yeah, I'm fresh out the shower. I use a shirt to dry my hair. I don't really dry it all the way. Oh! I know, guys, this looks a lot mess. Bruh, y'all see these girls? They're there. They are there. I did not comb my hair because I don't feel like it in the shower. I usually do it when I part my hair and all that good stuff, So we're gonna get into that. I know my hair looks so nice. Oh, and this part not about to be perfect. I just already know. I'll be making it as perfect as I can. I hate when my girls they be so tight. And then I have to comb through them. I don't know what to open. Oh, my curls be stuck together so bad. I can hear them when I'm trying to take them off. Like when I try to separate them, well, I can hear it separate. It'll be like big group. Oh, bunch them together. It looks like this right now because I like section it no, but I section it half and then I do the section for each half, which makes 4. Oh, I'm very temperamental. Very. And then I got burned by the curling iron so much when I was younger. When my mom and my sister did my hair, I didn't get like burned by them, but you know that steam, cause they used to put all that oil sheen on. Oh my god, they used to burn so much. Mom, I'm not burning you. The steam is burning me, baby. Okay, that steam is no joke. It burns. But they spray that oil sheen on your hair. No. Made me even extra heavy. And my mom a bit kind of heavy-handed. So every time when she do my hair, I'm following her. Like if she about to comb me backwards, oh, I'm going with you. You're not gonna yank my hair out. No, baby. Crazy. Also, I really make sure I put my hair. I don't have to blow dry my hair though. Whenever she does it. I just make sure it's combed really good because I don't like really putting any heat on my hair really. That's why I let it air dry. But I'm gonna get into blow drying my hair once I get a blow dryer. So I don't even have that. I have a straightener and a curler because I got it from my older sister. I just took it for when I have weave. Not for my real hair because I don't really like putting heat on it, like I said. So that's why I don't have a blow dryer. Okay, this is not working out. Oh, this hair care routine is like a tutorial. I should have fast forwarded this part. Goodness gracious. I'm already at 6 minutes. Took me 6 minutes just to do 4 sections. Yes, it did. Well, I'm in 4 sections. I really haven't seen any haircut type of videos. I guess I'm gonna come back to you guys after I style my hair, like do it in the protective style that I want. So yeah, this video might be long. I'm sorry. Okay. Hi guys, I am back. It is 1:30 p.m. It takes me so long guys the back. Quick though, because I know my part in this one is not the best. So, shoot. Did you see it? Shoot. That's it. But I'm about to gather all this hair, but it's so curly too. I'm just like, it'd be so hard trying to comb all my hair out. I mean my curls. I'm trying to put in another ball. Y'all might think it's a lot, but your hair sheds every day, and I have my hair in for about a month. Here you go. Nothing worked. It's no good. But thank you guys for watching this video of my hair care routine. Stay tuned for another update because I like to do my hair. Like, I'm keeping this till about maybe November. Having my natural hair out until November. And then again in February. That's my birthday. But like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll